welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a super easy video. I need to do like an updated what's in my bag what's in my purse type of video. I filmed one I think like a year ago, but I don't like the quality of it and it's not really my thing anymore. I love that purse that I still use it every day, but I have this new baby right here. I got this at Primark, and this is supposed to be like, I think like a Gucci dupe of a purse, but this is my everyday purse. It's pretty big, not gonna lie. Like, it's small, but it's still like decent size. It's beautiful. It's black with silver detailing. I love the flowers on here. It's so cute. But yeah, before we get started, grab a quick snack, because it's gonna be a little while. We're gonna talk about all the shit that I have in my purse, and trust me, there's a lot. You think this purse is small, but there's a lot of shit in here. So let's get started. But like I said, subscribe to my channel right here. Check out my Instagram, which is Simi_Violet, and turn on the notifications so you guys can get notified every time I make a new post or post a video. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so when you open the purse up, you can see all the crap I have in here. So I guess, what's the first thing? Oh, yeah, I have this little cute coin purse that I got actually from my husband's grandma, Mimi, and thank you for getting this for me for Christmas. I love this. I usually keep my little coins in there, but right now, apparently I have some Taco Bell hot sauce in there, because I fucking love Taco Bell hot sauce. I have a lighter because, you know, 420 bitches. Little, I don't know what these are called. I still call them scrunchies, but they're not scrunchies. The hair tie. I have a another green lighter. I have Carmex. If you have dry lips and wear a lot of matte lipsticks or just lipsticks in general, your lips are chapped and hurting like a bitch, try this Carmex. It heals your lips, makes them so juicy and glossy at the same time. They have a cherry flavor which smells so fucking good. So I think it's like $1 at like Walmart. And then of course eye drops, and not because of 420, but because I wear contact lenses and my eyes get super dry, so I have to keep them hydrated. Eyelash glue, because this is like a mini one that I got in like one of the little kits for like lashes. Because you guys know, if you wear fake eyelashes, them bitches, like the fucking inner corner will like pop out sometimes, so you have to like glue it back on and whatnot. So yeah, I always carry one of these just in case we have an accident, because no one wants to deal with like an eyelash falling off. I actually had that happen to me when I was serving one time, and my lash, like, I just felt it like coming off of my eye, and it was all like crooked, like, it was just not good. And then obviously I have like coins in here because it's a coin purse, but I just kind of keep little things in there as well, and you know, hot sauce, because Taco Bell is life. And then I have my Louis Vuitton dupe. This is not real, because who the fuck wants to spend like $600 on a fucking, you know, wallet when I can just literally, Wanelo is the website, well, the app that I order my stuff on, and this was $15 with shipping, and came out to like less than 20, and it came here on time. So this is the little cute Louis Vuitton wallet that I have. And then in the inside is my little sister's picture. I have like credit cards and like money and all that stuff, but it has nice, like, you know, it has a lot of like space for it, and it's my favorite wallet ever. I love like bigger wallets like this. So yeah, that's that. And then I have my keys, my car keys, my house keys, beer opener, because bitches, you never know when you're gonna have to open a Corona. So that's why I have a opener. I used to always have pepper spray on here, but I actually gave it to my mom. But I still have the little thingy on here, so my mom has it. But I always carry a pepper spray on me just in case. I have a Bath and Body Works coupon. I think this expired already. Oh yeah, this is from like January. I should actually throw this out, but I had a coupon. Let me just toss that shit to the side. You guys are gonna be like, what the fuck? But I have a whole pile of fucking gloves because people be gross. And now with the coronavirus, like, I just carry, you know, gloves and face masks in here. I actually left all my face masks in the car. Target receipt. Because I love Target. And I even got my mom on Target. And both of my sisters are obsessed with Target. Like, they have cute ass clothes, cute makeup, cute, like, house supplies. They don't have a huge selection of food. I mean, it's not bad if you want to do your groceries, but, like, you know. Everything else, it just takes my soul away. And then I have this roll perfume. It's the Love perfume from Victoria's Secret. It's one of my favorites. This one, and then I think there was like a coconut one that they did last year for the summertime. Actually, it was like a blue packaging and it smelled like coconut. It smells so good. But this is my second like favorite. I just always like carry this in my purse because I want to smell good. But this is like super easy, so you don't have to carry a whole ass bottle of a perfume. You can just literally plop them in there and you have it. Ew. I have like 3 more packets of hot sauce in my purse. That's terrible, guys. Tylenol, bunch of receipts. Why do I have this? It's a face razor. It's for my mustache. Because I'm Eastern European, so your girl gets hairy, so like I have to shave my face. But I think, I actually brought this I think to my mom's to like show to her how to do it on the face. That's probably why I have it in my purse, so don't judge me. And then I have 5 different lipsticks in here that, dude, I'll just kind of just like have a nice razor in my, y'all. I have another razor. Then I have my husband's insurance card in here, rent receipts. But yeah, for the lipsticks, I have this Gensa Super E Oil. Oh, hi kitty. Oh, he's so cute. But I have this lip oil. This is really good to just kind of like gloss my lips over. And then I have the MAC lipstick. I believe this is Velvet Teddy. Is my favorite, like a nude lipstick. Well, one of my favorites. I'm almost out of it, so I have to buy more. Then I have the Lancome Rosy Plump lip gloss. This is really pretty, like everyday, like little lip gloss type of thing, and it plumps your lips as well and smells so good. And then I have a Nutter lip plumping lip gloss. I guess I like new lipsticks and lip gloss. Well, lip plumping oils. And then obviously the lipstick I'm wearing right now. It's the Dose of Color lipstick in Brick. So yeah, that's all that's in my purse right now. I do gotta eventually clean this shit out because, bitch, this is messy. That's not even funny. Like, I think it's heavy after like a while of carrying it. So, but yeah, that's my updated what's in my purse video. Like, I don't really have, like, I know I've seen some of these videos, they have like all this extra shit. I'm like, realistically, you don't really like carry that stuff with you. I mean, I just kind of have a collection of lipsticks. I fucking love lipsticks. I have my ID and you know, perfume, some hot sauce, wallet keys, the basics, you know. Like, I feel like that's most people like usually carry in their like wallets, so, and purses. So yeah, that's all. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.